Experience the essence of true elegance, a fragrance that captures confidence, charm, and timeless beauty. One spray, and the world notices you.
Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share an incredible AI tool that can help you create stunning cinematic videos and viral marketing ads just like these. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few minutes. And the most exciting thing is that you don't need any complicated prompts or advanced editing skills to get these amazing results. Sounds exciting, right? So in this video, we're going to create some realistic ads using AI. This video can be very useful for you, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and keep watching TechVid AI. Now before we start, let's quickly create a roadmap. First, we will generate consistent images using Nano Banana through InsMind. Then, we will use its AI agent to convert those images into a final video. Getting started with InsMind. The tool we're going to explore today is InsMind. It's an all-in-one AI image and video creation platform where you can create images, videos, and even brand materials, all from prompts on a single canvas. First, open Chrome, then search for InsMind and open the first website. Once you open the website, log in using your email account to generate an image. So I select image from here and paste the prompt. Now I upload a reference model so that the generated model will look almost similar. In the Style section, I select the Nano Banana Pro model, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and then click Generate. And within just a few seconds, the image is ready. The best part is that you can generate unlimited images here for free. Now let's create the next image following the same procedure. Using different prompts like this, please wait while your image is being prepared. Next, we will convert the image into a video. Using different prompts like this, please wait for a little while, and your video will be ready soon. I'll make sure everything is prepared properly so you get the best result. Please wait for a little while. Your video is ready. Take a moment to watch it and see the amazing results we've created for you. Hope you love it. Let's create the next video together. For this, I go back to InsMind and upload the generated image from the image icon. Now the entire video will be created by the AI agent. All we need to do is paste the prompt here and click Generate Now. And within a short time, the AI agent creates the video. Using different prompts like this, I created several videos.
It's trainless, rudis, usual long for the signal.
If you want, you can also create more videos using the same process. Now let's experience a powerful editing feature. I'm going to blend 4 images together. Click on the plus icon, select the 4 images, and open them. Here you will see the image blending option. Click on it and paste this prompt. Maintain consistency and blend all the uploaded images into a single image. Then click Start. And the image is ready. Wow. This result looks amazing. Now I'll show you how to create a realistic UGC ad using the same tool. I gave a prompt to generate an influencer, then dragged and dropped the model and the perfume, and pasted the prompt for the image. It takes a little time. And then the image is ready. As you can see, the model is carrying the product very realistically. Now we will convert this into a UGC ad video. I paste the prompt here and click Generate. As usual, we wait for a few seconds, and the video is ready. And honestly, it looks completely real. No one can say that this is not real.
Experience the essence of true elegance, a fragrance that captures confidence, charm, and timeless beauty. One spray, and the world notices you.
I think you should start working on it without any further delay. From my experience using InsMind, it is an amazing platform. On its homepage, you can find a wide variety of templates, whether it's for a trending video, a social media post, or creating a commercial ad. Furthermore, if you visit the AI tools section, almost all types of AI image categories are available. In the AI video section, you will find some truly impressive effects. So, give it a try. The link is available in the description. So guys, how did you like today's video? If you enjoyed it, it definitely deserves a like. You can share this video with those who are beginners in this field. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more AI-related content. Thank you.